to make traditional Indonesian dish, Tempeh Orek. Let's get started.
Tempeh, garlic, shallots, red chili, sweet soy sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of flavoring, a pinch of pepper powder, cooking oil, knife, a cutting board, a tablespoon, frying pan, spatula, sieve, a small bowl, and stove. First step, take the tempeh and cut it into small rectangular pieces like in the video. Next, slice the garlic and shallots. Slice the red chili diagonally, like in the video. Pour the little cooking oil in the frying pan. Once the oil is hot, fry the tempeh until it's golden brown. When it is ready, take it out and set it aside. Next, in the same pan, reduce the oil to about 2 tablespoons. Sauté sliced garlic, shallots, and chili. Stir fry them until fragrant. Turn the fried tempeh to the pan. Add 4 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of flavoring, a pinch of pepper powder. Stir it well to make sure every piece is coated in the sauce. And we're done. Transfer the tempeh orek to the small bowl or serving plate. Usually, tempeh orek is served with uduk rice or yellow rice. However, eating it with warm white rice is also no less delicious.
So, making the Tempeh Orek is simple and easy, right? Plus, the ingredients are available and easy to find. The sweet and savory flavor of Tempeh Orek sure to boost your appetite. Don't forget to try a recipe at home. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye-bye.